Okay, so what I did is I dipped the pencil in the red lip stain and I made basically teardrops, made them squiggly, and I did it on both sides, like 4 on one, 5 on the other. And you know what? Okay, my love, I just do not do makeup tutorials. You guys are phenomenal. Like, oh my gosh, it is not as easy as it looks. The lighting, the steps. I will stay in my lane and I will stay creating my other type of content. Anywho, so what I did was go around my face like an oval shape. I dipped the brush in like the gray eyeshadow, like the light one, and then the dark one. And then I drew a line like where my contour is, like on my cheekbone. And then I went back over and I brushed it in, you know, like a circular way to brush it in. I used like a white powder too because I wanted to come off like a corpsey look, you know. And so I kind of just blended it in and rubbed it in. So it's very, very easy. And then, of course, I put on those lashes and good to go. So I thought this was a very simple tutorial. Pastel Pegasus, I don't know where you are, but the people need you because I could have used you instead of trying to create my own makeup tutorial, which just failed miserably. And yes, I do use makeup. I don't like paint. If you guys know the way introverts work, when we go out, it's a whole rock star vibe. Like the last time I went out, heaven knows where my phone is, and I got a call and I got it 2 weeks later. So this is sweat, tears, and blood proof. Trust me, I've done the research. Don't use paint. I don't care how long it says it stays, it doesn't. I find that eyeliner stays. As a matter of fact, with my lips, I put eyeliner and then I put gloss. Trust me.
Trust me on this one. I've done the research. Now try again.